Welcome to our channel where we explore health and wellness in a way that's accessible to everyone. Today we're diving into the topic of thyroid health, a concern affecting millions worldwide. The thyroid, a small but mighty gland located in the neck, plays a crucial role in our body's metabolism, growth, and development. When it doesn't function correctly, it can lead to thyroid dysfunction, a condition that is estimated to impact over 200 million people globally. This dysfunction can take two primary forms: hypothyroidism, where the thyroid is underactive and doesn't produce enough hormones, and hyperthyroidism, where the thyroid is overactive and produces too many hormones. Both conditions can dramatically affect one's quality of life. But here's the good news: there are natural remedies available that can help support thyroid health. With this understanding, let's delve into 12 natural remedies that can bolster thyroid health. The first two natural remedies on our list involve your diet. Incorporate iodine-rich foods and selenium into your meals. Iodine plays a critical role in the production of thyroid hormones. So where can you find it? Look no further than seaweed, iodized salt, fish, and dairy products. These foods are packed with iodine that your thyroid craves. Now, let's turn our attention to selenium. This essential mineral supports thyroid function and helps regulate the synthesis of thyroid hormones. By eating selenium-rich foods such as Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, and mushrooms, you're providing your thyroid with the resources it needs to function properly. Remember, our bodies are complex systems. It's not just about what we eat, but how our body uses these nutrients. Iodine and selenium work together, ensuring your thyroid is well supported. By including these in your diet, you're taking a step towards supporting your thyroid's health. Continuing with dietary changes, let's look at zinc and vitamin D, both essential for thyroid hormone production and regulation. Zinc is a powerhouse mineral playing a pivotal role in the production and conversion of thyroid hormones. Foods abundant in zinc include pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and cashews. So, whether you're snacking on a handful of nuts or adding chickpeas to your salad, you're supporting your thyroid health. Now let's turn our attention to the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. Studies have linked vitamin D deficiency to thyroid disorders, making it a key player in maintaining thyroid health. Sunlight is an excellent source of vitamin D, but during those cloudier days, foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy products can help you meet your vitamin D needs. And of course, vitamin D supplements are always an option, particularly during those darker winter months. Remember, your body needs these nutrients to function optimally, so don't neglect them. The next two remedies are omega-3 fatty acids and adaptogenic herbs, both known for their anti-inflammatory and stress-regulating properties. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of fat that our body can't produce itself, but they're crucial for our health, including that of our thyroid. These fats help reduce inflammation and support thyroid function. You can find them in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts. Now let's talk about adaptogenic herbs. These are unique plants that help balance, restore, and protect your body. Herbs like ashwagandha, holy basil, and rhodiola rosea can help regulate the stress response, which is vital for overall thyroid health. You can incorporate these herbs into your diet in various ways, such as in teas, smoothies, or even as supplements. Remember, these are natural ways to support your thyroid health, but they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consider these natural remedies as part of your wellness journey. Moving away from diet, let's discuss lifestyle modifications and a potential dietary change. A gluten-free diet. Chronic stress can be a silent saboteur of thyroid function. By incorporating stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, and ensuring adequate sleep, we can help maintain a healthy thyroid function. These practices can not only reduce stress but also contribute to overall wellness. Now let's talk about a dietary consideration that could be beneficial for some individuals with thyroid disorders: a gluten-free diet. Gluten, found in wheat, barley, and rye, can trigger autoimmune reactions in susceptible individuals, potentially worsening thyroid dysfunction. For some, eliminating gluten from their diet can alleviate symptoms and improve thyroid function. It's essential, however, to consult with a healthcare professional before making such significant dietary changes. Remember, these changes can contribute to overall health and well-being, not just thyroid health. Back to diet, our next remedies are probiotics and limiting goitrogenic foods. Now, probiotics are beneficial bacteria that promote gut health. Why does that matter? Well, the gut and thyroid are intricately connected. An unhealthy gut can cause inflammation, which can trigger autoimmune conditions including those affecting the thyroid. Foods rich in probiotics like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi can help maintain a healthy gut and by extension, support thyroid function. Now, onto goitrogenic foods. These are foods that, when consumed in large amounts, especially raw, can interfere with thyroid function. They include cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and cabbage. You don't need to completely eliminate these from your diet, but it's advisable to limit intake and cook them, which reduces their goitrogenic properties. Keep these factors in mind when planning your meals. Finally, our last two remedies involve relaxation and holistic practices, herbal teas and acupuncture. Herbal teas, such as green tea, peppermint tea, or chamomile tea, go beyond just being a soothing beverage. They offer a variety of health benefits that support overall well-being. The antioxidants in these teas can help combat oxidative stress, while their calming effects can aid in stress management, a crucial aspect of thyroid health. Moving on to acupuncture, this ancient practice has been used for centuries to balance energy flow in the body. It's believed that acupuncture can help balance hormone levels, potentially easing symptoms of thyroid dysfunction. By stimulating specific points on the body, acupuncture can help improve energy flow, leading to improved overall health and well-being. These remedies offer a holistic approach to managing thyroid health. They focus not just on diet, but also on the mind-body connection, highlighting the importance of relaxation and balance in maintaining good health. Before we wrap up, remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have a thyroid disorder or are on medication. We've journeyed through 12 natural remedies that can support your thyroid health, each one unique in its benefits. From the iodine-rich foods that are crucial for thyroid hormone production, to selenium-rich foods that support thyroid function and regulate hormone synthesis. Let's not neglect the importance of zinc, an essential element for thyroid hormone production and conversion. And of course, vitamin D, which, despite its often overlooked importance, has a significant role in thyroid health. We discussed omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and support thyroid function, and adaptogenic herbs that can help regulate stress responses, contributing to overall thyroid health. Remember that lifestyle modifications are paramount too. Practices like meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, and adequate sleep can all help manage stress and thus impact thyroid function. Some may find a gluten-free diet beneficial, as gluten can trigger autoimmune reactions in susceptible individuals. Probiotics can support gut health, which is intimately linked to thyroid function. We also touched on the importance of limiting goitrogenic foods, which can interfere with thyroid function when eaten in large amounts. Herbal teas offer calming effects and support overall well-being. And finally, acupuncture could potentially offer relief from thyroid symptoms by helping to balance hormone levels and improve overall energy flow in the body. Remember, every individual's journey with thyroid health is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. So, always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for visiting our channel. If you found this video valuable, please share it with family and friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, take care of your health.